So what is the definition of decimal numbers or decimals? A decimal is a number that consists of a whole number part and fractional part separated by a point. That point is called decimal point. For example, 3.6 is a decimal number, 9.6, 0.896, 2.401, etc. We have so many. Here we discuss one number, 4.662. 4.62. Here, 4 is the whole number part. This point is called decimal point. 62 or 62 is called decimal number part. Next, we are going to discuss types of decimal numbers. First one, terminating decimals. What is the definition of terminating decimal? A terminating decimal is a decimal number with a finite number of digits after decimal point. Examples are 0.5, 7.8965, 9.07543. Means after decimal point, the numbers are finite, means countable or end at some point. Here, then in decimal number part, we have only one number. Here we have 4 numbers. Here we have 5 numbers, or only 1, 2, 3, etc. It means in terminating decimals, the digits after decimal point are finite. Next type is non-terminating decimals. In terminating decimal numbers, we have 2 types of decimal numbers. One is recurring decimals, another one is non-recurring decimals. Recurring decimals and another one is non-recurring decimals. First one, recurring decimals. What are recurring decimals? Recurring decimals are nothing but non-terminating repeating decimals. What is the definition? These decimals are decimal fractions that will never end after the decimal point and even predictably repeat one or more numbers. So examples are 0.333 and so on, or 6.818181 and so on. These are not ending but repeating some number. So these are called recurring decimals. We write 0.333 as 0.3 bar, 6.818181 and so on as 6.81 bar. Here bar comes to 81 only. Why 81 is repeating, 81 is repeating. Here 3 is repeating. And another one is non-recurring decimals. Non-recurring decimal number is a decimal number that continues endlessly with no group of digits repeating endlessly. Example, 6.8654389 and so on, or 0.54389 and so on, etc. Here what we observe that after the decimal point, the digits are repeating, digits are not repeating and not ending. So these type of decimals are called non-recurring decimals. Non-recurring decimals are nothing but non-terminating, not repeating decimals. Non-terminating, not repeating decimals are called non-recurring decimals. Non-terminating, repeating decimals are called recurring decimals.